Good evening. It is 9:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and it's 2:15 at 2025. Pretty interesting. So, I guess I'm doing a second video because I can, and why not? Now, keep it posted on, like I said, take a look at our community on our channel. So, keep all my stuff, like I'll tell you a reason why I'm recording my video, or other things I may post, because I think I just posted a survey, would you rather question, so not bad. Not bad at all. I may do another survey momentarily. So, still in fact, is a winter weather advisory still in effect. What changed was Lake Michigan gale warning. That changed, and part of Lake Huron's. Sorry, I'm tired, so I'm trying to think. So in Lake Huron's gale warning. The storm came down south. Part of the prediction was correct. The storm. What's my stuff down here? Drag it up here. Thank you. A storm was right here, but then, like I predicted, it went to the east. Now, the problem is this storm now is going to move to the right, which that could affect Alabama. So, this is getting stuff time. Now, after that storm heads to the east, well, it would hit it would hit Alabama. Let me grab my highlighter. Georgia, Rome, SC, NC, Virginia, Kentucky, those type of things that will probably get hit. Oh yeah, and half of Louisiana, but mostly the Mississippi. Now, the black spots, if you see here, like you can see those little black spots, those are very heavy rain. So if you look to the right, which I will even highlight, right here you can see mild, heavy, extreme, those types of stuff conveniently right here. The light, moderate, and heavy, well, it's just like a thing like saying black means for precipitation, heavy gray means light, and dark gray means moderate, it's like midish. So, yeah. And then you got your warnings like mild, severe, extreme, moderate, mild. There's some mild stuff like snow statement. A lot of stuff is coming up here, like winter storm warning and stuff. Now, like I said, like a Petoskey. I like saying that word. I'll just read this because all in full Michigan right now is in a statement, ad for short. I nicknamed it ad. It's really called advisory. Other videos I call it ad because advisory ad for short. So, I gotta grab this correctly, so I have to. I guess I will grab my highlighters so I can highlight things. What snow will redevelop overnight, continue into the day Sunday. Gusty winds, air is blowing drifting snow with low visibility. Total additional snowfall tonight and Sunday of 3 to 6 inches. where portions of northern lower Michigan went until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sunday. Impacts road will be slick and snow covered. Summary, slow down and use caution while traveling. Issued by the National Weather Service of Gaylord, Michigan. Now, I'm going to have a text box right here and type in. Whoops. Type in. Let's see. Highlight. Oops. That was about. Equals. Let's say. I'm trying to word it. I had the word. Highlight equals important. Import info or information. Remember that? So yeah, just sometimes I do that where I highlight things. I usually don't do that, but I should. I use Microsoft Weather myself. I'll show you. Maybe I'll record a video, maybe tomorrow, about behind the scenes and how I do stuff. So, part of. Actually, wait. I need to do this real quick. Okay, let's look at seafood forecast. Remember, you can email me at ElijahRozek@gmail.com. Now, when you email me, please, emails will be recorded to our producers. And, of course, my editors, of course. So, excuse me. So, what we got? Well, Petoskey, starting from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5. Wait, do I need the graph? Start from 12 a.m. going all the way until 6 p.m. approx. It will stop snowing. Sunrise will be 6:07. Wait. Okay. Apologies, everyone. I just wanted to double check if it says sunrise, sunset, and probably because of the whole graph, which I don't like this new update that I have to deal with. I don't like it. So, then 6 a.m. yet again, Sunday. It'll start snowing again. Then 2 a.m. I'm sorry, not 2 a.m. I'm sorry. So, every time I want to pull up this real quick. There we go. So, I'm just used to this, my apologies. So, every time I hit the arrow, it goes like to days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, 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 blah. So, now, down here, today, 9:55, Sunday. So, on Sunday, I think around 6 a.m. through, through 11 p.m. 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. it will be snowing. Fun fact of the day, did you know that salt won't work at a Pacific temperature? Sand stays there forever. Fun fact of the day. Moving on, so 2 a.m. light snow showers, 2 a.m. through 6 p.m. Not bad, but could be better. And then 3 a.m. through 6 a.m. snow showers. 11 a.m. through 8 p.m. snow showers. So, down south, let's say approximately where Lansing is, we don't get that much snow. But up north, they get the pound. The pound. I mean the pound, I mean like the pound of snow that's going to come on top of them. And then so on. Alright, let's look at Lansing's forecast and then talk about other forecasts, and then we're going to move on to our next segment called Wildfires. First, let's look at Lansing. Oh, no. Wait, that's Jackson. Wait, where's Lansing? Here's Lansing. Alright, Lansing. Lansing is the capital of Michigan, where the governor is. Good governor. I don't like the governor myself. I should have talked about. I probably should have said that, but I like politics. So I think I should be a politician. So let's go to our daily. I can't see without my glasses. I think I click you, and then we're gonna go see the forecast. So here's your forecast for Lansing, Michigan. After I clean my glasses, which I did. Okay. Graph. Give me the graph. Give me the graph. Okay. So. First of all, let me. Where can I get the Sunday, Monday. Okay, so Monday, approx around 12. Wait, why can't I get the graph? That's gonna be okay. I do the graph. Let's say Monday will be snowing, and then yeah, that's basically it. So, plus if your superintendent is very smart, you will get school. Most likely. But like I said, it depends when your school starts. So, here's a bunch of information. Moving on. Let's go back to our radar and let's look at our wildfires. Actually, let me check this real quick. Unfortunately, there's no content. No content. Like, there is content, but not necessarily no hurricanes. Sadly. But we can look at our wildfires. Wildfires are spreading everywhere. Mostly pay attention to the big ones, I don't talk about those baby fires. They're easy to put out. Unless they're making real big. And do you know who's responsible for that? The governor of California. Yep, the governor of California. I think it's a he. Is it a he or a she? We look that up later at the end of the video. But for now, we're talking about weather. But, Los Angeles, fire. There's a burned area. Now, a lot of these things are sort of up in the forest and the mountains. There's a fire there. But the bigger the thing, when we scroll out, it looks big. When we scroll in, it looks small. Under investigation, that's contained. That's February 5th. Okay, so that's February 5th. It's February 15th. So, if you calculate that, that's 10 days ago. Yeah. I'm not good at math. And then we get the rest of the stuff, like this. A lot of times, Microsoft Weather. If you guys have a Windows computer, it could be any Windows, you can record videos. The thing is, I can't open my gaming type thing, so I'll show you that also. Yeah, but I don't want to sponsor this, but I'm going to because I actually like this. The sponsor of this today's video is Gesium Shows. Now, Museum shows you get your podcasts from. Like 6 Minutes, The Big Fib, Hidden Island, etc. Those podcasts are pretty great. Now, in fact, I actually listen to GZM shows myself. I think my my favorite podcast is most likely the 6 Minutes, or the Hidden Island, and the Big Fib. Because of the content creators, I want to thank them. So I'm advertising them. So yes, this episode is sponsored by GZM Shows. Imagination amplified. Done with our sponsor? Great, let's move on. So, yeah, definitely look up at gzmshows.com. So, the link will be in the description. Moving on. Let's... The next. Actually, I'm running out of time. So, I'll keep my episodes packed around 15 minutes. It's going to go on 16 minutes. We gotta end this video now. So, let's look up who the governor is. Do a little city tour. Be done. Okay? Okay, great. We're gonna vote. Alright, let's look up, see who the governor is, and maybe just be done. Yeah, ignore those. And yes, I was trying to make my own podcast, and that didn't go so well. And yes, I was looking up a phone system. So moving on, let's look up who is the governor of California. Gavin Newsom. I think it's Gavin. Gavin Newsom. Politics. Someone's gonna blame it on somebody. Now, we're gonna do a city tour. Here's Paris. We're looking at Paris tonight. No. I just make up random stuff. So, let's look at Paris real quick. First, let me just click. And we'll let's see, where's the Eiffel Tower? I guess we're looking for it now. Eiffel Tower. I guess the Eiffel Tower tour, here's the Eiffel Tower. That's what we're viewing. Right now. Here's Paris, everybody. First of all, they do a very horrible job blurring faces. Yes, it's a damn amount of walk to the Eiffel Tower. Nice, big, massive type thing now. I actually like the Eiffel Tower. I actually never been to Paris, but they do a very horrible job blurring faces. I don't know. Is somebody walking? Yes, they do a very tough job. That's your city tour for tonight. See you guys tomorrow. And I will record tomorrow behind the scenes of how I record videos.